Hi ladies, and welcome back to Dip Nails and Wig Details. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you or unboxing this brand new Iwig customized by Gardeaux Wigs. It is gorgeous. If you don't know what Iwig is, it's a comfort cap, human hair. It's, in my opinion, top of the line. So if you're interested in a comfortable lace front silk top wig, you don't want to miss this video. It is gorgeous, and I will show you everything about it and put it on and stuff. Remind you to enter the giveaway. We're almost there. All you have to do is be a subscriber, like that video, and comment down below on the giveaway video. Wait, let's get into the video. Here she is. It will come in a brown box, and then you'll open the box. I just want you to see how it'll come packaged. And it'll have a little sealed sticker there. I've already opened mine. And then once you open the box, sorry that's noisy, you will have a wig cap. And what they send the wig cap for is if you want to try the wig on and you're not really sure about it, try it on with the wig grip. That way you don't get makeup or get it nasty or anything in case you want to return it. It'll come in paper. Like I said, I've already looked at it. Sorry it's loud. This is it out of the box. This is the top. This is your silk top. Lace front. The lace has not been cut yet. And then when you look inside the cap, that's your silk top. And the lace goes from ear tab to ear tab. You do have ear tabs. And then you have like this PU lining or silicone lining. And I just want to mention real fast, you can wear these with or without hair. A lot of people think these types of caps are meant for people without hair. That's not true. When I got my first one, I had not shaved my head yet, so I still had hair. And it's going to have a hand-tied center and a wefted back. And it kind of has an extended nape, and my last one didn't have this, but it has the PU strip. I really like it. It kind of kept it down, especially for me because I am a 21 inch and I probably should have got a small cap, but I'm able to wear this, and this keeps that nape down. That way it doesn't slide up and bunch. So this is it on. Again, the lace isn't cut yet. I will show you it with the lace cut before I end this video. That way you can see how it looks. Again, it is a lace top, silk top. It is lace from ear tab to ear tab. So right here to right here. So it goes all the way down. We'll be able to tuck, and I love that because I love to tuck my hair behind my ears so the ear tabs don't mess with that or anything. And I wear glasses, and I can wear glasses with these types of ear tabs. Show you up close. And it does have like the baby hairs and stuff, so if you want to pull your hair up, which I'm a big fan of pulling my hair up, and you can part it anywhere on this area and it is going to look just the same. So everywhere you part, it's going to look just like this part, not just a center part wig or off center part wig. It is 100% Mongolian hair or premium Mongolian hair. Like me, and you've had several types of Mongolian hair, this is more of the European textured. And what I mean by that is it will hold a curl. I've had a lot of Mongolian hair that will not hold a curl for nothing. It's a very ashy color for compare. This is very gray, the Lily's wig. You know, it's like real neutral and then goes to an ashy color. It's 14 inches measured from the nape down, so about 21, 22 inches total length. Let me show you the back. Looks back here. That's how far the nape goes down, and this keeps it down. Because like I said, I'm usually a 21 inch, so I'm a 21 inch, and I probably should have gotten a small, but this medium fits me fine. There's no bunching. Now, if I was to push the nape area up, it would bunch, but there's no bunching at all. And what I love about the medium, and I'm really glad I got a medium, is the ear tabs go all the way down. They literally reach my ear, so that's really nice. I will be able to pull the whole front up, no problem. Silk top is amazing. I'm going to cut the lace real quick, and then I'll show you what it looks like with the lace cut. If you want to see how I cut my lace, I do have a video on another Gardeaux wig I purchased. It's the Gardeaux all lace wig, and I do have a section in there that shows you how I cut the lace. What I do is I just follow the natural hairline of how it goes. I don't really zigzag. I just use regular scissors, sharp hair scissors. These are my favorite. And I just like literally follow the hairline. There's no special way to it. It's really what you like. I got my lace cut. Let me get her adjusted. And I don't know if you've ever noticed before, for me personally, on a lot of wigs, when you're trying it on with the lace on, it seems to fit good, and then it'll be like once you cut the lace it fits really loose. That is not the case with this wig. And just, I know I've been saying this a lot lately, but after you cut your lace, please don't throw it away. And the reason I say not to throw it away is if you ever have a tear in your lace or anything, you will want your little bit of lace to repair it, because it's better to have the exact lace. But as you see, it didn't change. I didn't make sure I got it fixed just right. Come over here. There's nothing on. That's how it looks. It does not lift. It sits very flush to the skin. I didn't put nothing on it. And now I am blessed with a bigger forehead, so I do pull mine down a little bit more further than I used to. So where the transition sits, there's none of my like stubble hair right there in this area, because my hairline starts right here. But I can show you what it'll look like if you pull it back some. Hang on. And where? All right, now it's right at my hairline. And that's how it looks. So you can kind of see my hair through it just a tad. It moved. Remember, I don't have no hair underneath, so it's just a stubble that does help to grab it. I don't have a wig grip on. All I did was adjust my little bra strap to a few of them to keep it tight. It's down. It's not big. So if you are a small cap like me, you probably can wear the medium. I mean, if you were smaller than a 21 inch, I would not get the medium. I would wait for a small. But if you were in the range that I am, you could probably wear the small and the medium. I mean, I'm wearing the medium just fine. I just want to mention, if you're new to Gardeaux Wigs, I'm not affiliated with them or anything. I'm just a fan. But they do not charge a restock fee if you do an exchange. I love wig places that do not charge a restocking fee for exchanging. I can't stand anybody to charge that just for me to exchange and get another one of your products. I think that's gross. So I got an email this morning. If you are on the hunt for a wig and you keep missing one on their website, they have a new text messaging system they started today. I guess you'll let them know what type of wig you're looking for, and it will text you right before they post a wig that is fitting that description. How amazing is that? Don't forget to enter the giveaway. We're almost there. I'm sorry I keep saying it, but I want to give that hat hair away as much as somebody wants to win it. And please like this video. I will leave the giveaway video link down below. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And thank you for watching, and have a great weekend.